Congratulations in advance. Happy kay ko para sa imong hamilyat. After all the plot twist, heartaches, mga hugot episode sa imong past, nakita na ko na tanan and proud kay ko sa imuha because you survive it all with grace and smile. Grabe no? Wa jud ka gipasagdan ni Lord. Instead, gidala ka niya sa bukid kay di ay dito na makita imong Mr. Right si Paul. Kani siya. Og Paul, thank you so much nga nakita nimo akong friend, nakita niyo ang usag-usa og napadulong gid mo sa forever. Unta di ka magmahay ani niya. Yun sa kanya pag kuan Paul pag lumay. Joke lang. Lumay na rin ka Caroline. Bitaw to milyat. Happy kay ko para sa imo ha kay di lang ka mahimong Mrs. Madridejo pohon, mahimo pa jud kang mama pohon. Good luck sa inyong duha. Congratulations in advance again. Og milyat na ay gi-prepare ang jump prints para sa imuha. Unta malipay ka sa among gi-prepare para sa imuha para sa imuha ni tanan milyat. Watch this.
Travailler, make you know they shalaye. I don't want nobody to give my matter like for this life I day. I want to be celebrated. Don't wanna waste my days. I want to spend them on enjoyment. Baby, travailler, make you know they shalaye.
Congratulations! Before bitaw mag-backtrack sa before the elementary days, kadungdong ko na we used to create cards without letters or what another. Kadungdong ko na sa letters na to, kuan sa ako, memorable sa ako. Kay kadungdong ko ikaw, so ang unang magtawag sa ako, best friend. Treasure ko na forever. Yate, makalak ang pag-aan niya. Getting aside ni Tawboy, congratulations dun sa inyo niyo po. I've seen you laugh, cry, scared, happy. Sad po, uban ka kung deserve mo ang kalipay sa umaabot na wedding mo. Misis na jud ka day, bukong na. Hapit na jud din, hapit na jud tayo. Ako lang naitambag sa inyong duhang. December jud ang ginoo always sa inyong duhang. Wala na ba yung perfect na marriage, kabalo na makaanatanan. Pero always be there sa usap-usap. Bitaw ka ng warmest congratulations sa inyo. Hinitay sa inyong duha. Magiging isang ganap na dyan na pamilya. Magiging ganap ka na asawa. Magiging ganap na mami. Bon. Magawas ninyang ba ako ha? Day. Inainang ko day. So, maura ko o walang kong isulti na I love you always. Na ako pero maminaw sa ibang pasakit kung kanino pa ito. Kanta na ito. Bitaw ay pag malikayon, naamon siya problema mong abot, pero kaya na din. Kaya ng tanan. So, maura to. You will always be my best friend. Ang akong maltits at malitahan dyan. O ang ibang made up on. I love you.
Hey, ating ganda-ganda mo, te. Pagtatalyong, di mata ko sa lakagang nga bagyo.
Hi to my Jamie Lynn. Congratulations Lynn. And this is it, Pansit. Kunting kembot na lang, o maabot na ang time nga imong gihulat nga mahimo na kang misis. And we're so happy nga namit na nimo finally imong Mr. Right, ang tao nga higugmaon o panggaon ka ug walay lain kundi si Paul. O di ba gikilig. This is the new chapter of your life. Kung baga, isa pud ni sa pinaka the best nga blessing sa inyo ni Lord, sa inyo duha ni Paul. And happy me nga moabot mo ani nga plano ninyo sa inyong panag-uban, di ba? And I know nga excited na kamo pasok padulong sa altar. Excited pud me makakita sa imo nga. Best wishes as you prepared for your beautiful marriage together with your husband to be. Unta nalipay ka sa among simple nga surprise para sa imong bridal shower. And congrats again, Milyat. Love, love.
DJ Tyrone Remix. Handa ka na ba pumunta?
Surprise me yet! Be happy because today is your bridal shower day, not birthday. Bridal shower day. So please enjoy with our jump friends, with your loved ones, with your family, of course, and the people around you. So be happy and have fun. I just wanted to send a little piece of my heart. I am so happy for you, Melin. You're stepping into two life's most interesting, most beautiful journey, which is becoming a wife and a mother soon. Congratulations. You truly deserve happiness, love, and blessings this season brings. So, after all the ups and downs you faced, you finally found your true happiness, your forever best friend, and forever love, of course. God's plan for you is shining clearly now in your love story, in your growing family, and in the happiness that surrounds you. And even if we're not always together, please know that your jump friends are always here with you. We may be miles apart, but our hearts are always with you. We're here cheering you on, supporting you, and celebrating every moment of this exciting journey with you. Ooh. So your wedding day is on July 24th, and it's just around the corner, right? So it is sad to say, but I can't attend that time because I am so far away. As much as I want to attend, but I can. So your wedding is fast approaching. It's just around the corner, and it's going to be magical. But even more magical is the life that comes after it, Milyat. The everyday moments of marriage, the shared smiles, the teamwork, the gentle love, and the promises that grow stronger with time. Yes. And marriage is not just about big days. It's about choosing each other over and over and over again. And it's over again. Okay, so every single day, it's about patience, laughter, forgiveness, and holding hands through all the highs and lows. This is the beginning of your new. This is the beginning of your new chapter with someone who you truly love, who truly deserves it, and sees your value. That brings all of us joy, Milyat. So, from the bottom of my heart, congratulations, Milyat, and I am so happy for you. We are so happy for you. I am so proud of you. We are so proud of you. So, as a friend, I have some simple lesson about married life to share with. So, marriage is not about finding the perfect person. It's about learning to love a perfect person perfectly. Because marriage teaches us to be patient, compromise, and communication. It's about first choosing love, even if it's not easy. Second, listening, not just with ears but with the heart. Third, working as a team, not keeping score. You know what I mean. And most importantly, laughing together even when life gets tough. No, bisan pa sa kalisod sa panahon. No nga, katawan lang ang problema, uy da. Kung saan ang problema, nabayay giingon nga. Tawanan mo ang iyong problema. Okay, so, just because marriage is a lifelong friendship with love, as its foundation, may yours filled with faith, adventure, and thousands of I love yous. So, once again, congratulations, Milyat. Congratulations, future Madridijo. We love you, Milyat. We're here with you always, and we're so excited for you. Bye-bye!
I can tell her all my secrets, cause I know that she gon' keep up. Ain't nothing come between.
Hi, Lynn, Milyat, Milin, Melks, o diba? Daghan kayo kag names, but anyway, a huge congrats on your upcoming wedding. Wishing you a lifetime of love, happiness, and adventure. So with emphasis ang atong adventure, because I know that both of you are adventurous. Can't wait to celebrate and witness the love between the two of you on your special day. So again, congratulations and cheers to the beautiful future together. Bye!
Hi! Teka, hi! Congratulations. congratulations on your wedding day, Paul and Miliat. Wishing you a lifetime filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable moments together as you begin the exciting chapter as husband and wife and soon to be parents. My baby. May your journey be filled with joy, strength, and endless blessings. Cheers to the love, new beginnings, and the little one on the way. Ninang Beko, what na po ko ni Ninong. Congratulations!
Salamat! Salamat! Tayo magkasama muli. Salamat at magbabawi ng buhay na inaarap. Darating sa lahat ang lugar kaligayahan. Salamat! Tunay na kaibigan, kasama maasahan. Salamat! Tayo'y kaibigan, samahan. Salamat! Tunay na kaibigan. Salamat!
A few moments later.
She my nigga for a reason. I can tell her all my secrets. Cause I know that she gon' keep her. I know that she gon' keep her. Can't nothing come between us. That my main one.
So as long as I live, I love you. Will have it hold you. You look so beautiful.